In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your PowerPoint presentation efficiently and effectively. Whether you're working on a critical project for work, preparing a presentation for school, or crafting a slideshow for a personal event. Learning how to save your PowerPoint presentation properly can save you a lot of time and prevent the heartache of lost work. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to ensure your presentation is safely stored. The very first thing you want to do is to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. It might seem straightforward, but it's the gateway to all your creative and professional presentations. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you're ready to bring your ideas to life, but more importantly, you need to know how to keep those ideas safe. After opening PowerPoint, the next step is to access the file you're working on. This can be done from the opening screen you're greeted with, which displays a list of recent documents. If your document is listed here, simply click on it to open. If it's a new project, you'll start with a blank presentation ready for your input. This opening screen is particularly handy because it not only gives you quick access to recent files, but also allows opening files stored in different locations, including your computer or any linked cloud storage. Now here comes a crucial part: saving your work. At the top left corner of the PowerPoint window, you'll notice a small, almost nostalgic icon, the floppy disk. Clicking on this icon saves your current PowerPoint presentation to its last saved location. If it's the first time you're saving this file, clicking the floppy disk icon will prompt you to choose a save location on your computer or cloud storage and assign a file name. This might seem like a simple step, but it's an action that merits habituation. Regularly saving your work as you make progress can be the difference between a smooth working session and a frantic rush to recreate lost slides. Here's a tip that could be a game changer for you: the autosave feature. Located also at the top left corner, turning on autosave ensures that PowerPoint automatically saves your changes as you work, minimizing the risk of data loss in case of sudden shutdowns or crashes. When autosave is on, every change you make is instantly saved, providing a level of security and peace of mind that can free you to focus more on your content and less on the technicalities of saving files. To enable autosave, simply click on the toggle next to the feature's label. Remember, for autosave to work, your file needs to be stored in a location that supports this feature, such as OneDrive or SharePoint. This way, not only are your changes saved in real time, but you also have the added benefit of being able to access your presentation from any device, anywhere, anytime. It's particularly handy for those working collaboratively on a presentation, as everyone can work on the document simultaneously, with all changes being automatically saved as they go. In summary, the steps to safeguard your hard work in PowerPoint are quite straightforward. Open your desired PowerPoint presentation, use the save feature early and often, and consider enabling autosave for an extra layer of protection against lost work. Regular saving is a good practice, but autosave takes it to the next level by keeping your file up to date without the need for you to remember to hit save. Remember, taking a few moments to save your PowerPoint presentations correctly can spare you a lot of unnecessary stress. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who uses PowerPoint for personal projects, these saving techniques are indispensable tools in your arsenal. In closing, let this video be a reminder of the importance of saving your work frequently and utilizing PowerPoint's features to their fullest to ensure that your presentations are not just creative and impactful, but also safe and secure. Keep crafting, keep creating, and most importantly, keep saving. Happy presenting.